everybody, Chad and Jules with the Knowles Wellesley team, Remax Che. Guys, today we're at 21 Bird Street. Fantastic property, great area. How do I know? Because I live here, close to ski resorts, golf courses, and Highway 400.
This place is fantastic. Come on in and see for yourself.
Hey guys, top 3 reasons why you'll love this property. Number 1, the upgraded tile, the upgraded trim, crown molding, and casing. It's beautiful. Come take a peek.
And number 2, my favorite thing about this property is the beautiful backyard oasis. With mature trees and plenty of privacy, all you have to do is sit back and relax. And now that we have Chad's attention,
Let's check out number 3, the park.
whether you have kids or you're just a kid at heart, nothing beats living by the park.
For more information on this listing and more alike, visit our website.